Hey, this is Madison with the Sensory Path. Let's install the flower push wall. Before starting, I made sure to sweep and mop the floors really well. A clean surface helps the image stick properly. First, I'll cut out the pieces I need for the floor installation. Next, I'll plan the placement of the logs. Don't worry, we include a layout guide to make this step easy. Now, I'll remove the backing from my first log and carefully place it onto the floor. I'm using a wave motion with my squeegee to ensure a smooth application. I'm positioning the log about a foot away from the wall, but the exact distance will depend on the age of the students using the path. For first graders, this is an ideal placement. Once the logs are in place, I'll align and install the first 4 flowers on the wall to match up with the logs on the floor. Here's a close-up of how I apply the flower. Pro tip, if you're installing on a brick wall, use a hairdryer and squeegee after placing the decals. The heat helps the adhesive conform to the texture, ensuring a strong bond. And that's it, more videos coming soon.